Hey Apple fans! iOS 26 public beta just dropped, bringing the stunning liquid glass redesign, Apple's biggest iPhone update ever. Ready to transform your iPhone? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this magical iOS 26 update. Apple launched the iOS 26 public beta, set for a full release in March 2026. With a playful liquid glass interface and epic new features, it's the most dramatic redesign since iOS 7. Available from iPhone 16 to iPhone SE. Want to see what's new? Keep watching! The star of iOS 26 is liquid glass, a dynamic, translucent design with fluid animations, softer colors, and playful transitions. It makes every tap feel magical. From messaging to swiping, Apple's calling it their most vibrant interface yet, bringing a lighter, richer vibe to every interaction on your iPhone. iOS 26 revamps key apps. The phone app gets call screening, hold assist, and a unified hub for favorites, recents, and voicemail. Messages shines with custom chat backgrounds, real-time group chat polling, better spam filtering, and typing indicators. Camera and photos improve usability, while Apple Maps adds smart routes and private visit history. Plus, Apple Intelligence powers live translation, smarter shortcuts, and visual intelligence for screenshot-based actions. iOS 26's liquid glass and app updates make your iPhone feel brand new, with Apple Intelligence pushing AI to new heights. Available on all modern iPhones from SE to 16, this public beta lets you test the future before its September 2026 launch. Is this Apple's best iOS yet? The iOS 26 public beta is live for testing. Download it on your iPhone and experience liquid glass today. Whether you're loving the new messages or Apple Intelligence, share your thoughts. What's your favorite iOS 26 feature? Drop it below. And that's the scoop on iOS 26's public beta. Are you obsessed with liquid glass or hyped for live translation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.